Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where we are dedicated to helping you live a long, healthy, and vibrant life. In today's video, we have something special for you. We're going to share 5 powerful tips that will guide you on your journey to a long and healthy life. So, without further ado, let us dive right in. Tip number 1, nourish your body with a wholesome diet. The food we consume has a profound impact on our health and longevity. Aim to incorporate a wide variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet, such as fresh fruits, colorful vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy trans fats. Remember, a balanced diet is the foundation of a healthy life. Tip number 2, engage in regular physical activity. Exercise is not just about staying fit or maintaining a certain weight, it is about promoting optimal health and well-being. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your daily routine. Whether it's walking, jogging, dancing, swimming, or practicing yoga, aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, along with strength training exercises at least twice a week. Tip number 3, prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect our mental health. Take time to care for your mind and emotions. Engage in activities that help you relax, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or journaling. Cultivate positive thinking patterns and surround yourself with supportive and uplifting people. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. Remember, a healthy mind is the key to a healthy life. Tip number 4, get enough quality sleep. Sleep is a crucial aspect of our overall health, yet it's often undervalued. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep routine, create a sleep-friendly environment, and practice good sleep hygiene. Avoid electronic devices before bed and create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Quality sleep rejuvenates our body, improves cognitive function, and supports a healthy immune system. Tip number 5, cultivate meaningful connections and nurture your social well-being. Human beings are social creatures, and maintaining strong social connections is vital for our longevity and happiness. Surround yourself with positive and supportive relationships. Spend quality time with friends and family, engage in community activities, and foster a sense of belonging. Remember, genuine connections and a strong support system contribute to a healthier and more fulfilling life. And there you have it, our 5 powerful tips for living a long and healthy life. Remember, each tip is interconnected and contributes to your overall well-being. Embrace them as a lifestyle, and you'll reap the rewards of a vibrant and fulfilling existence. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and here's to a long and healthy life.